they went their way, and behold, the star which has been seen in the east, in its rising went before them until it came and stood over the place where the young child was. When they saw the star, they were thrilled with joy, and on going into the house, they saw the child and Mary his mother, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Then, opening their treasure bags, they presented to him gifts, gold, frankincense, and myrrh.